In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new password in Houzz. We'll walk through the exact path to update your password so you know where to click and what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to the Houzz website. Once you're on your Houzz dashboard, look toward the upper right-hand side of the page. That's where your profile icon or name appears. Click your profile to open your profile area. This takes you to your personal page where your account details and settings are accessible. Inside your profile, look for a small pencil icon. This pencil represents edit options. Click that pencil to open the editing and settings panel. On the next screen, focus on the left-hand side. Under the account section, you'll see different categories you can adjust. Click on password to move into the password settings. You'll arrive on the create a new password page. In the first field, type your new password. Houzz requires that it contains at least 8 characters, includes at least one number, and has at least one symbol. A strong approach is to combine a short phrase with numbers and symbols in a way that's memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. For example, think of a line you can remember and add numbers or symbols in between words or at the ends. Avoid using personal details and never reuse a password from another site. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a unique password so you won't have to memorize it. If there's an option to reveal the text while you type, use it briefly to double check for typos, then hide it again for privacy. Next, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. Take a moment to match every character, number, and symbol. If the two entries don't match, correct them until they do. Many pages will show a small indicator or message confirming that both fields match and that your password meets the requirements. Once everything looks good and the entries match, click Submit to save your new password. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. The next time you sign in, use this new password. If your browser offers to update the saved password, confirm the change so you don't get locked out later. That's it. You went to Houzz, opened your profile, used the pencil edit option, selected password under account, entered a strong password that meets the requirements, confirmed it, and submitted the change.